Aloha, beautiful Source Warriors. Welcome to the event. How's everyone feeling today on this beautiful day? I just wanted to come and share a message today. A message that came to me, it's been actually flowing through me, and I have been allowed to feel more and more into what it is. For those of you that have been watching my messages, you may have heard me say something along the lines of I am Michael and I am the holder of the balance. And you may be wondering what I'm talking about when I say these things. And these are things that come through me from Source, not things that I make up. It's not that I called me, not a name that I gave myself, but it's something that came through me. And the reason why I'm starting to realize now is, as the Hopi prophecy says, as all the scriptures say, we are in that time. We are the chosen ones, We are the warriors of the light. We are the rainbow warriors, whatever. We are the rainbow children. They're all playing out right now. I know that. I can see it. I can see it as clear as you would see it on a television. Except I don't watch television anymore. And ever since I turned that television off, the subconscious programming has stopped. I no longer have any outside programming. It's all just me. It's the beauty of turning off the satanic television. But we're not here to talk about the satanic television. Vision. We're not here about that. Today's message is about what I'm talking about when I say that I'm the holder of the balance. Let's go into balance. What is balance? And why am I the holder? I say that I'm the holder of the balance because I hold my own balance. Light, dark, black, white. Up, down, in, out. Neutrality. So, coming to terms with my own balance has helped me be able to see, feel when others are out of balance. And we feel that, we see that in the world around us right now. A lot of imbalance, a lot of chaos. Chaos is born out of imbalance, but it is required. So when you find someone that is out of balance, when you catch yourself out of balance, ask why. Why am I angry? Why am I upset? Why am I out of balance? There's always a reason, guys. There's always consequence. There's always cost. The Matrix is a lie, but it is a place of duality. Yeah. So you're going to have your good guys, bad guys. You're going to have your love. And you're going to have your darkness. So coming from a place of dark and light, I've been able to harness both sides of the spectrum, you might say. And my focus for a long time has been on the balance of my own being. And through that, through me, now, I help balance everyone else simply by being. And you all have this power. We all are unlimited, infinite beings. And when you're able to know thyself, magical things happen. If this message resonates with you, you feel that you could assist someone with this message, please share this message, hit the like button, together, we will create the new earth. The event is happening all around us, guys. All around us right now. The date of the rapture has already passed. Now we simply must experience it. I am Michael, and I'm the holder of the balance. I'm here to tell you to stay positive and become your own balance. And always remember to enjoy and love every moment of your beautiful life. I love you.